time frame, big huge target, and there we go, guys. Right from there, right from my entry, market was absolutely in. All right, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. And in this video we are going to talk about all of those three pairs. Yesterday I gave you guys analysis, and I'm gonna hunt a nice setup on GBPCHF. Okay, let's just have a quick recap before I enter this trade. So yesterday GBPCHF, I told you guys that market price is gonna go up from here, and on 4 hour time frame I told you guys can check the last video. I said it's gonna retrace maybe to this fair value gap or maybe a little bit down. It has already retraced. Now it's gonna go to bull side. Okay, and on top of that it has formed this, what is this called, this fair value gap with a nice pattern on 15-minute time frame. So my expectation was it's gonna break it to low side, then it's gonna give me my entry, and then it's just gonna break all of those highs. So I'm waiting for my entry. Price has already taken this, it has swept under this low. This low has been already taken. Now price is reaching for the highs, but before that I'm gonna wait for price to actually take maybe this low or maybe this low, then break the previous high, then form a fair value gap and retracement, and then boom, it's gonna go up from there. So I'm just gonna wait a little, and I'm gonna hunt my entry on 2-minute time frame. 1 minute is also good, but let's just see if I get on 2 minute, then I won't, I mean, I'm not gonna look at 2-minute time frame. So okay, that's it for now. Okay, I paused my video, so now I'm back. I was just playing some songs on the back window. Now it's gone. So now guys, let's just explain a little bit about price action. So this is what I'm waiting for. I'm gonna take a bullish setup. Let's just go on 1-minute time frame. On 1-minute time frame, it is going for the liquidity that is above this high and then this fair value gap. I wish it goes to this fair value gap, then it take this low, because I really want to see that before taking any trade. So let's just see how it all pans out. Live market, guys, I have no idea what's gonna happen, so I'm just gonna wait. And up until then, let's just go on other time frames, on other pairs, and let's just see what's happening. So on silver and gold are working same, right? So yesterday I told you it's been to fair value gap. We're gonna wait for market to come to this fair value gap, and from there we're gonna hunt a bearish setup. And on Sunday opening, market reached to this fair value gap. Now on 1 hour time frame, I'm gonna wait for some entry. So what's gonna happen is it's gonna go a little bit more up, then break, retrace, and entry. Right now it's in this bullish zone, so it should go up. So I can't see entry until I see a 1 hour confirmation. BTC USD, same guys, same. I said it's gonna go yesterday. Just go and check out the yesterday's video. You will see I have marked these fair value gaps yesterday. I said price will come back to this fair value gap, as it did. 1 hour confirmation, and then we will hunt the setup. Right now it's in the bullish zone again. I'm gonna wait for market to retrace maybe on 15-minute or 1 hour, break the structure, fair value gap, and entry right there. So let's just see how it all pans out. Right now there is no confirmation on 15-minute time frame. I still don't see anything. Maybe 15-minute can give me entries on both of these pairs, but I'm gonna go on GBP CHF and hunt my setup. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video and I'll continue once it's gonna be like, once I see my pattern, or if there's anything new I'll explain you guys. Damn guys, do you guys see that? As I said, literally pip by pip. I hope you guys can see that very well. Let me just check the camera. Absolutely perfect. As I said, it's gonna draw from the fair value gap, and we are gonna watch market take these lows. Okay, let me just bag it up. And I told you guys literally 2 minutes ago, it's gonna take maybe this low, or then after the target is this low. But I don't know, I'm just gonna wait for my setup. This was the prediction and it has already did. If I could have ever entered around here, let's just say a quick scalping, this is the first target, because market is bullish. I'm not gonna wait for a retracement, and I mean, if I get entry here, this is the exit, perfect safe exit. If somebody is greedy, doesn't want to take, like they want to take more, This is very like not likely. I mean, I don't know if it's gonna happen or not. My clear confirmation was this low. It's been already taken, so I don't know if I was like, if I would ever hold for this target, I'm gonna put my entry at break even. But let's just see how it all pans out. If I could have invested $1,000, boom, $1,000 profit within just 2 minutes. But we are gonna take a good entry on another time frame. So let's just see how it all pans out. I'm gonna wait on 2 minute time frame for the right setup, and then we're gonna hunt that. Guys, this is how market works. You just have to do a quick analysis. Like, you just do full analysis on the, I mean, you just have to find a clear bias. Then once you find your bias, then all you have to do is wait for the perfect market condition, like this. See, I have a perfect market condition. Then you just hunt your setup. There is nothing 100%, guys. I can fail in this setup as well, because let me show you in 4 hour time frame. Let's just go on 4 hour time frame. You see this choppiness? Market can actually retrace. Chances of happening that is only 10%, but there are 10% chances that market can actually drop from here. Let's go on daily time frame. Daily time frame is bullish. It should go up. 4 hour time frame, nothing much clear. Price, I have no idea. It can drop then go high, but right now what I see is market should go high. And on top of this 1 hour time frame, it's actually not that good and not that clear. This all choppiness, it's completely messed up. So I'm just going with the trend. Chances of reverse or loss are always there. 20% chances are always there. My win ratio probability is only 80%, guys. Nothing is 100%. This is the game of probability, and that's how you trade. This is, I mean, all you have to do is show up every single, like, you have to trade consistently. You have to hunt a setup consistently. It doesn't matter what your setup is. So okay, let me use some EMIA as well. EMA, actually, this is a EMA. I don't use it, but I'm making a new strategy, guys. Fantastic strategy, fantastic. So I'm just testing it on that one as well, like what's gonna happen, how I can trade that strategy, right? How I can teach you guys that strategy for free. That strategy works perfectly fine. All you need is clear bias. So guys, see, if I can tell you what are the bias, you know the bias, and then you just hunt the setup on 5 minute. Boom, good entry, 1:2, very easily achievable in that strategy. So I'm just testing that strategy as well. Let's just see how it all pans out. 1 minute, let me see. 1 minute, okay, it should be bearish from here actually. 1 minute, price should drop from here. It should, if it's gonna drop, then it's gonna take this low, then most likely it's gonna take this low as well. Let's see how it all happens. I have no idea. I'm not the market maker. Like, I don't make this market. All I do is react on the price. Like, I can predict what's gonna happen, and then I just react. People say don't predict. There's like, real traders don't predict. That's all bullshit. All bullshit. As a professional trader, you predict what's gonna happen. That's how you make money. How the fuck are you gonna make money if you don't even predict what's gonna happen in future? You see the charts, you do your analysis, and then you predict what can actually happen, and then you go with your predictions. That's how you make money. Don't fall for the bullshit traps, guys. Like, never fall for that shit. Okay, so let's just, oops, as we can see, once again, I think it's gonna fall under this low. So I'm gonna pause the video. Once it drop down, I'll continue. As I said, price did hit this low, guys. Now let's just wait for the confirmation, final confirmation. I'm actually busy eating, so I'm just gonna wait for the final confirmation. Once I get that, I'm gonna enter and I'll show you my entry, and see you guys with the entry. Okay, so I think we are going to get an entry soon. Let's just see how it all happens, because I have no idea. Entry, I was waiting on 2 minutes. Let's see if I get on 2 minutes or I have to enter on 5 minute late entry. So guys, welcome back, and I have gone my 2 minute entry. So let me just see. Oh man, my price on the broker price has not got filled, but I have gone entry around this area, which is 68.14, where price has actually not even been up until now. But this is the right entry at 2 minute time frame. So let's see how it all performs, how it all happens. Okay, so I have gotten my entry on 2 minute time frame, and my target is gonna be, let's just say, damn, my target should be actually this high. Should I actually do that? I'm actually, let me just see, because I'm not gonna hunt this trade for like short short trade. This is not scalping, so I'll see if I can, how much I can stretch it. Okay, so my target is gonna be, first target is gonna be this 4 hour. I think if it's gonna taken very soon, this one will also be taken, and after that market is not gonna drop back, because this is in full expansion mode, and this is the minimum daily target I can aim for, and this is also gonna be a weekly target, because the bodies hold the price, like bodies. Okay, let me pay some attention so I don't miss out or I don't get wrecked in this trade. Okay, my trade is going well now. My real entry is actually, I have to mark that 68.14. Okay, 68.14. This is my real entry. This is where my, I have, like, this is where market fell to my price. But my entry was around in this fair value gap, and this was the real entry. And my stop loss is under 67.69. This is my stop loss, this is the real entry. So let's see how it all performs. And all right guys, I'll explain you guys what happened in this trade, but in the next video, I mean. But as soon as it hit this target, I have to watch out my trade. I might have to mark, I mean, I have to manage my trade. Maybe I will put it on break even, or maybe after this but I mean, I have to manage my trade. I can't just let it go, I mean, after achieving 1:2 or 1:3, because that's like pretty good. So I should mark it as on, I mean, I should mark it as break even. So alright guys, this is all in this video. I have captured a really nice A plus setup. Let's see how it all performs. I have already entered in this market. If I do loss or if I achieve profits, I'll explain you guys in the next video. Okay, like and subscribe to this channel guys, and follow for more. Alright guys, I'm gonna play this in a replay mode because I'm shooting this video next day. I'll explain you what happened yesterday because I couldn't record it after that. Okay, so my first entry was here as I was explaining you guys, and I entered around here with a huge target. But let me just show you what actually happened. Price was playing and boom, it did hit my stop loss. I lost $100 on this trade. Then I was keep waiting for the next one because I'm not gonna leave this setup, right? There was a, I mean, I know on 1 hour 15 minute, I know market is very bullish. It should be bullish from this zone. It's gonna break this low. I mean, sorry, I didn't show you guys. Okay, after that 5 minute loss, what I found was that market was actually making a pattern. This trend line and this all was actually a pattern, and I took the wrong trade. I should have waited for all of these lows to be taken, which I actually wanted. I mean, I wanted market to take these lows, but if it's gonna go from there, I'm not gonna miss that. So it's fine if I can take one or two losses before taking a massive trade. It happens with me sometimes, I know that. So I was like, okay, I can risk that, and I risked it here, lost it, $100 loss. Then right after that guys, I was waiting for this trend line to be broken, and it broke. Then it formed a fair value gap. I was like, okay, I can't take a trade, I have to wait for it bearish to it move bearish. And from there it actually did. It broke all of these lows. It used this fair value gap. So I was waiting for 5 minute entry, perfect entry, but I didn't get any. So I was keep waiting, keep waiting, and suddenly this big price action. I was like, oh, whoa, what's going on? It should take some low now. And that's what had happened. Price took this low. Okay, price took the low, then fair value gap, and the price formed a nice fair value gap. And this is the order block's high guys. As soon as it touched this order block, I'm gonna enter. So I entered around, and I guess it did enter in the fair value gap as well, but my entries never get fulfilled here because of the broker spread. So I always take my entries on top of the order block high, and my entry was around here. And then guys, rest is absolutely fucking crazy. Let me show you guys. Let's just go on 15-minute time frame. Big huge target, and there we go, guys. Right from there, right from my entry, market was absolutely insane. It was just keep going up and up and up, and it came very close to my final target, but it didn't hit it yet. So I was keep waiting, and price is still roaming here. But the thing is, it did hit my two of my targets. Let me show you guys. This was the first one, first target. This was the second target. Now I'm waiting for market to hit my final target, which is gonna be this. Okay, let me show you. Yesterday analysis, I told you this is 4-hour high, equal highs. It's gonna get taken. I'm gonna watch what's gonna happen. Like if I have to put it on break even or not. Then second entry got hit. After that, I was expecting market to have a little drop, but it was keep going up. So I was like, okay, I'll just hold on for the third target. So now third target is actually this high, but before that there is this big fair value gap imbalance that market has fulfilled, and now it's taking a breath. Where is it taking the breath? It's taking breath in this bullish fair value gap. Okay, I'm gonna move it there. This is the bullish fair value gap. And right from here, what market should do is it should retrace a little bit, take some lows, and from there it should give me an entry, and boom, it should hit my target. And if it doesn't hit my target, and as soon as it breaks this low, which is gonna give me like almost 1:3, I'm just gonna exit from my trade. I'm still gonna make $300 on this trade, risking $100. But let me show you. I could have easily. I mean, I'm gonna wait right now for at least 1:100. Sorry, 1:10 or 11. I think I can get 11. So I enter around here. My entry was actually, I mean, it should have been here like at this point, but because of broker spread, I always get like entry fulfilled here, and then I just make sure like I'm entering around 100 or $130. So my final profit was actually around 1100 or something. If I do hit this target, but I haven't. So once it drops back to below this low, I'm just gonna exit with profits. I mean, I'm not gonna risk it all. I'll just see the price action. If it's keep gonna fall and fall, even though in London session or New York session, I'm just gonna exit in profits. I'm gonna make sure I exit in profits. So let's just see how this trade pans out. And this was the old trade, guys. Yesterday I explained you guys every single thing about this trade. You can rewatch this full video and you will see how I explain. And this is the final next day analysis after this trade has already been like, it's already panning out. So I'm really sorry I couldn't record it live. I actually wanted to record it live, so but it's okay, maybe some other time. So this was the whole trade idea. And subscribe to this channel, like this video, guys, if you want to see any more analysis on any another trade or any another pair. Just comment in the comment section. See you guys in the next video.